Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Schwer. I realize that I need to talk a little bit about how you navigate through the course and important features that I've tried to add to make the course a little more comprehensible. A number of people have had concerns about when are things actually due. Unlike some other online courses you may have taken, this course operates on 2-week modules. And so the work in the first week of a module is quite different than the work in the second. And in order to keep track of this, I'm recording this little video talking about navigation that can help you. All right, so here we are on the home page of our Writing Nonfiction course. And the first thing that you should notice is the announcements. And announcements really are quite helpful. I always send them out to students using the send to student email feature. And so you'll want to check your campus email frequently. As I say in this announcement that happens to be at the top of the list just now, I recommend that you sign up for Remind. I don't use this often, but it's a quick way you can contact me and I can contact all of you. You don't have the ability, the way I've set it up, to contact each other through Remind, but you can contact me and I can contact you, so it should not jam up your phone with a lot of irrelevant emails or irrelevant texts. Anyway, it's worth signing up for. But again, I posted this in the announcement, the opening page of the course, but I also had it sent to your school email, so you'll want to check that. All right, other navigation features that will help you here. I've added some things to the course menu. As you know, as I've mentioned, you do not want to use course messages if you want to get a quick response from me. Remind is the quickest, campus email is the second quickest, and course messages is the slowest. I'm not saying you can't use them. You might want to, but I don't guarantee to check them every day. The syllabus and a basic schedule are there, but down below is where it's much more helpful, and that's why I'm focusing just on navigation in this video. I have created a course calendar which gives you when things are due, and in most cases a link to that tool. So for example, on Wednesday, the course introductions are due. It doesn't seem to tell you that, does it? Okay. Elements of memoir quiz. And I do want to say, well, I'll come back to that. Anyway, these deadlines, all except for the final one, which is the last Sunday of the 2 weeks, the final paper for the module, that is not a flexible deadline. You need to have everything in this module done by then. I'm not going to take off points if your other things are late, unless we have a problem that everyone is turning things in late. I'm going to need at least a couple days to respond to your memoirs. Fortunately, this is a small class, and I should be able to get these back to you pretty quickly. But again, you can check this calendar that is here on the navigation bar. It has just about all of the assignments, all of the graded assignments here. And you may also want to schedule an appointment with me to talk about things outside of class. I am at your disposal anytime I'm free. I'm sorry I can't be more specific than that, but my schedule is rather fluid because I'm department chair. For example, if you wanted to meet with me tomorrow, you see that I have a limited number of times there. Well, not too limited. That's Wednesday I go late, 6 and 7. Thursday I go very late and have, well, no, that's actually not accurate. I'm going to have to try to fix that. 9:30 through 9:30 through 11 in the evening. The other days I finish at 5. I'm going to have to try to get that fixed. But anyway, you get the idea of how you can get in touch with me and what some of these some of these tools on Blackboard do. And so the calendar tool with assignments on the suggested due date should be helpful for you, and that's how to get in touch with me quickly if you want to make an appointment to talk face-to-face. All right, thank you.